Grace, can you go to your room? Go to your room. Tony? Good job. Where are you going now? You gotta come back this way. Nice work. Good work, Grace. Uh-oh. Obstacle. Whoop. You know, you've got to turn it to the side. Turn it to the left. What are you going to do? Do. You don't know. Oh, side step. That's a good strategy. Yay. Then you got to turn it around so the wheels both point to Mummy. Yay! Good work! Cool. Can you turn around the corner here? Don't go outside. Let's turn around the corner this way. Grace, turn around the corner. Come this way. Nice. You got the hang of it. Good work. How about around the let's go around the table. Good girl. Whoops. Oh, you need to stop it. Good job. Oh. Come on. Doing a great job at controlling it. Wow. Oopsie. Good work. Oh, so happy. Oh. Good work, Grace. Very proud of you. Clap your hands. Huh? Well, you don't want to clap your hands because then you have to let go. Huh? Clap hands. Well done. Very good.